Good morning, class 8 students. Students, we are doing chapter number 6 and we are reading about the making of the New Delhi. And we were read about the Bahadur Shah Zafar for Delhi had rebels for the 4 months. And this is a picture showing that how the war was happening of 1857. When the British regained the city, they marked on the campaign and revenge to the plotters. The most famous were Ghalib witnesses the event at that time. This is how he described the ransacking of Delhi in 1857. The Ghalib, the poet, had witnesses that time how Delhi has changed after the war of 1857. When the angry lions, he refers the angry lions as the Britishers entered the town. They killed the helpless. The Britishers killed the helpless and burned the houses. Hordes of men and women, commanders and noblemen poured out of the Delhi for the three gates and took shelter in the small communities. Students, this is how the Britishers has tortured. They have killed the helpless people. They have burned the houses, the women, the commanders, the noblemen. The Delhi was used. The noblemen used to live there. They were sent out of the country, out of the Delhi, with the three gates, sheltered in small communities, tombs outside the Delhi to prevent other rebellion. So that the other rebel cannot happen, they were sent out of the Delhi. Exiled Bahadur Shah to Burma, now known as Myanmar, dismantled his court. Dismantle means he dismantled. Court was nowhere. Gazed the several palaces, closed down the gardens, and built barricades for troops in that place. The garden was full of the troops, military people, so that the rebel cannot happen again. The British wanted Delhi to forget its Mughal past, and Britishers want that the Delhi should forget its Mughal past. The area around the fort was completely cleared to garden and pavilions, the mosques, and students they have completely cleared the area near the area of mosques pavilion. The British wanted to clear ground for security's reason. They want to clear the ground. Students, see, this is how they have cleared the ground where the buildings were made. The mosques were particularly either they destroyed the mosques and put to the other use, or they have used the mosques for other purposes. For instance, Jinat al Masjid was converted into bakery. No worship was allowed to Jama Masjid for 5 years. They have not allowed to do the worship for 5 years in Jama Masjid. One third of the city was demolished. The Britishers have demolished one third of the city, and its canals were filled up. The canals that were flowing in the country were filled up, so that the British, Mughal emperor, the Mughal past has been forgotten. In 1870, the western walls of Shahjahabad was broken. The western wall, which was made by the Shah, was also broken and established a railway and to allow the city to expand beyond the walls. And they want that the walls that have been made, that walls have been broken so that the cities can expand. The British now began to living in the sparkling civil lines area that came up in the north, away from the Indians of the vaulted city. The Delhi College was turned out into school and shut down in 1877. Delhi College was turned into the school students and it was shut down in 1877. So this is how, by damaging the mosques, by damaging the buildings, the palaces, even the people were not allowed to do the worship. This is how they have broken the walls, and this is how they have demolished the whole city. Okay, student, thank you.